Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing some pour painting, but instead of on a canvas, I'm going to be doing it on eggs since it is almost Easter. The way I got these eggs on the skewers like this is I just took these little craft eggs. They're only like $2, so I have a bunch of them. But I took a little thumbtack and I poked a hole this way. And then I used this little screw just to make a little bit of a bigger hole, and then I took one of these and I just stuck it in here. And then I put them all on this little styrofoam circle, that way they'll stay up so I don't have to hold them. I already have all of my paint in my cups, and I just added pretty much like a tablespoon of water to each thing of paint, each cup, and I just stirred that around. And then in these cups, I'm going to mix together maybe like 2 or 3 colors so I can have each egg be different, like variety of colors. And then I might use glitter, I'll see, but I know that I will use a gloss once all the eggs are done drying. So for my first mix of colors, I'm going to do this cyan bluish color, and I'm gonna pour some in here. And I will save a tiny bit also. Next I'm gonna do this other blue color. It's a little bit darker than that one. And then I'll do, I think, only a little bit of purple because I didn't have too much left in the actual container. And then I'm going to take one of my popsicle sticks and I'm just going to stir it around a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take this cup of paint, I'm going to pour it on my first egg. See how that goes. So we have that one. Let me make sure I get it all around the egg. Okay, so I think that egg looks pretty good. So now I'm going to do another mixture of colors. So I'm going to start with white. Put that at the bottom. Since the eggs are already white, it doesn't matter too much. Then I'm going to put some yellow. A little more. Then I'm going to add some green. Now I'm going to stir this together. Grabbing another popsicle stick. Now I'm going to pour that onto one of my eggs. It seems to be covered pretty nicely, and wait, I think I missed a spot. Okay, now I'm going to try and cover another egg. I already accidentally got a little paint over here, so I'll cover this one anyway. And it might not be enough paint, maybe. Maybe like barely. Okay, so those look pretty good. This one's nice too because it's like the more lighter green. Now I'm going to move on to my next one. I'm just going to clean up some paint I got here because I don't want to mess anything up. And then next I think I'll do like this lighter peach color. I think I'm also going to do a tiny bit less paint as well. It's kind of hard to tell how much paint I'm putting in. And then I'm going to add a tiny bit of purple. This one's like pretty much empty. There we go. And I'm also going to add some glitter and see how that looks. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit. Let me bring my cup up here since I can't really see. Okay, that's good. I don't want to add too much. And now I'm going to mix this together. Okay. I don't want to mix it together too much because then it'll just mix all the colors and make brown. So now I'm going to do this egg first. I might have enough for 2. Glitter actually turned out pretty nice. I missed some on the back here. Oops, I accidentally got some on my other egg, but that's okay. Okay, I'm not gonna have enough for 2, but that's okay. Oops. So now I'm going to do this for the rest of my eggs that I have over here, along with these extra ones I have in my carton. Okay, so now I have all my eggs done, and I'm going to let them dry outside. Okay, so here are all of my finished eggs. I already sprayed the gloss on them. I didn't do any glitter spray, but I think they turned out better without the glitter. I know this one had some, can't really tell. And I think this was also another one that had glitter added, but I think it looks better and makes it look more, I guess, like Eastery. And I like how these turned out, and I think it was a pretty easy little craft I can do because the eggs were very easy to get. They were very cheap, and all I needed was the paints and stuff. You can probably buy like cheaper paints too from like the dollar store if you really wanted to, if you wanted to make more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.